Hello friends, I am Dr. Kanchan Wag. Today I am going to cover a topic. Topic name is radiation pattern. As far as radiation pattern of antenna is concerned, antenna can be classified into three types: isotropic antenna, second is directional antenna, and third category is omnidirectional antenna. Now let us discuss isotropic antenna. Isotropic antenna are also called as ideal antennas or reference antenna. Ideal or reference antenna. Now, why isotropic antennas are called as ideal or reference antenna? Because isotropic antennas radiates equally in all the directions. Okay. Now, for an antenna, it is not possible to radiate in all the directions. Okay. So, it is a ideal antenna. Okay. And mostly isotropic antennas are referred for the calculation of derivation or calculation or in formulas. Isotropic antennas are referred as a reference antenna. Okay. Now isotropic antenna radiates equally in all directions and its radiation pattern is sphere. As it radiates equally in all the directions, so the radiation pattern of this isotropic antenna is like a sphere. So the radiation pattern of isotropic antenna will look like a sphere like this. Okay, now this is the radius, this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Now this is all about isotropic antenna. Now let us discuss second type of antenna, that is directional antenna. Second type is directional antenna. Now as the name itself suggests, directional. Okay, it means that directional antenna radiates in a particular direction. Okay, the antennas which radiates in a particular direction or in a specific direction are called as directional antenna. Okay, now let us see the radiation pattern of directional antenna. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Okay. Now let us draw the radiation pattern. This is major lobe, and these are the minor lobe, and at the exact opposite side or opposite direction of major lobe there is a lobe which is called as back lobe. This lobe is called as back lobe because it is on the back side of your major lobe. and this is the major lobe of directional antenna, and these are the minor lobe. So with respect to y-axis orientation, there are major lobe, or there is a major lobe along y-axis, okay, and along x and z axis there is a minor lobe, or there are minor lobes. And third radiation pattern is omnidirectional, or third antenna is your omnidirectional antenna. Third category of antenna is the omnidirectional antenna. Third category is omnidirectional. Omnidirectional antenna. Now omnidirectional antenna radiates in a plane. It radiates in a plane. Now let us have a look on radiation pattern of omnidirectional antenna. X-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Now major lobe of omnidirectional antenna is in XZ plane. Major lobe of omnidirectional antenna is in XZ plane. And with respect to Y orientation, there are minor lobes. Okay, so minor lobes are along the Y direction. Now with respect to Y axis orientation, there are minor lobes. There are minor lobes. And in omnidirectional antenna, we don't have back lobe. In omnidirectional antenna, we don't have back lobe. We don't have back lobe in omnidirectional antenna. Okay, now this is the major lobe. This is the major lobe. And major lobe is in which plane? It is XZ plane. Major lobe is in XZ plane. This is XZ plane. Now this is all about the radiation pattern of antenna. First is isotropic antenna, directional antenna, and omnidirectional antenna. So today we have seen the radiation pattern of isotropic antenna, directional antenna, and omnidirectional antenna. See you again.